guys, comme on y est, je dis à moi venir avec une vidéo. Je dis à moi faire un caille. Si vous avez besoin de vous mettez, just text moi. Ma banque de pour mettez, ok? So many. So ça c'est caille là, on va le faire. Close the door. Ça c'est un caille, on va le faire. Le gingerbread house, un petit caille, on va le faire. So ça lui-même. So mon qui va le faire kala avec moi, moi gagne vin avancer. Say hi.
Hi.
Ça a été un bel de moyen. Et puis, ou même. Et puis ça a été fait moyen qui va le faire kala avec.
Robbie's excited about that in your hand. It's not coming off.
On va faire ça pour Yana.
You have two gingerbread. Got two gingerbread.
So, pour nous faire le gade extraction, il faut gade comment kala wali. So, mais
Oh, can I see this?
t'as les mains et on va y prendre sur votre faire. C'est quoi ça? Comme. Campbell. You're gonna stick like this.
Wait. Oh.
Like this. Hold on. Okay. On doit s'avancer là. Où est maman? On va faire même genre encore. Qui met moi? I sound ces gens. Al pou mon couteau qui est moi. Ok. On met les comme ça.
How to do it?
Huh?
How to do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it. Okay.
How to do it?
Open the door for him. Go about that blue.
You haven't get cut.
This is sad, Z. But who say by like the
If you have get cut with that little, hold it.
This is hard.
I got glue to put. Is it purple?
Yes. That's a print.
And
Okay.
he said,
You're
no,
lying.
I'm not going to eat it. He said that's for the gingerbread.
What fell? J'aime fait faire là.
I'm not going to eat it.
On met là.
I-
Not sure. I'm going to make some coffee. What's in there?
Where to hold it?
Can't bear it.
No! I'm mad
I know you mad.
because you said that's for the gingerbread candy. And you know, you say I'm not going to eat it.
No, you can't eat it right now. Okay. Hold it like this.
A wind blows, it falls. See?
I asked you to hold it so we can stick together.
That's the cream la medulla.
Yeah. Then look, Campbell.
So that's a lot of now.
qu'on mettre la vidéo à passer fast because that's taking too long.
E kon sa li. Vin na kamera. Kuyo ka o. Pale biyo ka o. E kon sa li. Lò fon bagay take too long. E just lò fon video. Ou ba fè yon. Put that book. Sorry, it's gonna be on the other side.
Si waz savage.
Fè kot la.
Mwen se jwa kadidi.
I want the gingerbread, but
You wanna eat it, right? Ou beze manje, ba vey, but fòm fin fè house la avan. Pou mwotre moun yo koman gingerbread's house.
yeah.
Sa e Florida. Let's go.
Hey! Oh, li kole we guys, no eh? Ne kay la. Da. Dis nou sa, se nou bezwen kay, just fèm konen. Fèm konen se nou bezwen kay la.
Ou ka desculpa la cultura lo a family.
Pa met an pil, just, no. Pa met an ba. The ba, like, an ba pa bezwen.
Oh.
Just mette la, e lo bezwen. Yeah, sou kote ya ou meten. Mette lan an, like, ou ba se mette lan dan kay la, ou se ba se mette lan sou kote ya. Mi a fòm fè kay la avan le fin wè manje cookies la.
I know you're gonna eat the gingerbread though.
Yeah, fòm fè kay la avan. Okay. Okay, like gade, mi mette l pwes la kole kon ya.
I'm gonna take this one is a little bit black and this Wait, this one is coming out.
This one?
And the gingerbread.
Well,
Yeah,
we're gonna put the candies.
we're gonna put the candy on the gingerbread. After that, we eat it. After we're done. Okay?
If you stay good, Santa will give you presents this year.
Okay.
You want present?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna get a present.
Whoa, this is say put the gingerbread to the castle. You need to put the gingerbread to the castle.
Yeah.
You have to gingerbread. You need to make a window.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a window. We already have a window though.
Yeah.
Oh, are you gonna cut the windows though?
What the? Cut the window?
Hold on, I'm particular.
That's so. It's no more. It's no more.
Hmm?
It's no more sunscreen. The sunscreen will finish.
Yeah, some's gonna almost finish.
Yeah. If you like want to do, I have to eat some. I have to eat some.
Che bella meta. Che bella meta.
Look, it's messed up.
Okay, now see. Kuya lang dyan na meta.
I have to eat some.
Hmm? Women? Parle Creole now. You parle Creole, eh? You speak Creole, right? So speak Creole. Parle Creole. Dis more Creole. Say something in Creole. Okay. There's the room. Big juicy
And there's another one coming out. And this is the biggest one. No, now this is about to get crazy. Wait. This is even crazy. So big.
The snowman is making me.
Not going. This is not going good.
About start doing the video. The next, so that's the next is
Lakpot lalak mo. Thank you, I'll come on. We hold it like this.
got me this side a little bit small.
Okay. Okay. You know, now, Mabala, sun cream now.
Cream.
Put it on top of the house. Ooh, kala babo, kala, Bas ton bon l'idée, fait kay sa li ba un bon l'idée. Ti moun gele, pas écrit encore. Yeah, just mettez en l'électrique. Pas écrit encore. Je vais finir avec parce que kala.
Qu'est-ce qu'on doit faire?
Juste comme ça. Ça est neige. Ben ça m'a même. Ça est neige. Ça est neige. Après ça, qu'est-ce que c'est? On va mettre ça là. Campbell. Kalap kaze, but Campbell like. Tare. What's wrong with you? Sorry, Kyla. Kyla bon. Sorry, Kyla.
Don't even eat it.
Oh my God. Gomen ki beze manje Kyla. Gomen ki beze manje bala. Enjoy the video sa, ba video futi bese mkawo. So dey met video sa, ba video sa yon like, okay? Et puis abonne sur channel là pour karate brancher à chaque lem poster yon belle petit vidéo. Mia, come say Winnie.
Come say bye.
Come say like.
Like this video.
Like
this video.
Like this video.
Like the video.
And make sure you subscribe.
And abonne. You know, come here. I want to say the abonne.
Abonne.
Banado. The abonne.
Abonne.
Alright guys, bye. Alright, that's it.
Can we eat it?
You can eat it.